The next thing we'll see, that means image formed by a plane mirror. That means characteristics of the image from the plane mirror. Plane mirror is what? Plane mirror is, that means the mirror in our home. That means we see our image in the plane mirror. We see our face in the plane mirror, and also we can see ourselves in the plane mirror. So here we'll understand about the image formed by the plane mirror. So easily we can see here the image. If we want to see in the plane mirror, how is the property of the image, because if the image is formed, is that means it is always erect, means image is always erect, and image is of the same size, image is of the same size, image is at the same distance from the mirror and the object is in front of it. The image is virtual. The image is always virtual. The image found by the plane mirror is always virtual, because we cannot obtain this image on the screen. Means virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. So the image which cannot be obtained on the screen is known as the virtual image, because we cannot obtain our face, ourselves on the screen by a plane mirror. So in the plane mirror, which type of image is formed? In the plane mirror, virtual image is formed. Means in the plane mirror, virtual image is formed. Okay. So the image in the right side appears left and the left appears right. Means left right inversion. This is known as what? This is known as lateral inversion. Means the image, if we want to see ourselves in the plane mirror, what will happen? Our right hand, that means our right hand will be left hand and left hand will be the right hand. Here easily we can see right hand, that means this is you and this is the image. So your left hand becomes your right hand becomes what? Your left hand. So this things is known as is what? Left right inversion is lateral inversion. So this is also, this is applied in the ambulance. This is applied, this method lateral inversion is applied in the ambulance, because it is written in reverse order. Ambulance is written on the ambulance vehicle in a reverse order. And why it is written in the reverse order? Because in the vehicles, that means because ambulance needs a, that means quick time to reach to the hospital. So what will happen if it is written in reverse order? The vehicles which are ahead of the ambulance will see the ambulance, it is written in the reverse order, and the vehicle which are ahead of the ambulance will see in their side mirror, they will this ambulance will appear in the correct order, and they will give this ambulance pass very rapidly, so that the ambulance will reach to the hospital in a very short time. Okay, so that this is written due to the lateral inversion. Okay, so here also we'll have to understand this, means image formed by the plane mirror. Means image here, you are here and the your image will be here, means at the same distance the image will be formed. Okay, same size, same size, image will not be, that means it is always erect, means it is always erect, not inverted. Inverted means what? The image will be inverted, means if you are like here and your image will be like in this way. So this is in inverted image, but the in the plane mirror the image will form what? Always erect. Image will be always erect, and with the same size are same, size is same, and also this distance, means the distance from the mirror and distance from the object and distance from the image, both are same. Okay, so the next thing is to understand the difference between the real image and the virtual image. Real means that means obtained on the screen. Real means real, and virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. Okay, this is the major difference between the real image and the virtual image. So real image can be obtained on the screen, virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. Means, and what is the, that means real image? Because the light is coming, and after reflection, if it meets here, then here will be the real image. But if the light rays appears to meet anywhere, so this type of image will be virtual image. So this is the basic difference between the real image and virtual image. After that, we have to understand the next different types of mirror. Two types of mirror will see here. Spherical mirror, this is known as spherical mirrors. First one is what? Concave, and second one is a convex mirror. So spherical mirrors are curved mirrors. Curved mirrors, it is spherical mirrors are curved mirrors. if the reflecting is inside, reflecting surface is inside. Here you can see reflecting surface on this spoon. On this spoon, reflecting surface is it is in the inside. Then this is concave. Reflecting surface inside, then this is concave, and reflecting surface, that means reflecting surface outside. Outside, reflecting surface outside, this is known as what? Convex. So two types of mirror. This is a part of a spherical hollow sphere. This is a part of hollow sphere. Okay, this is hollow sphere, and both two mirrors, means concave and convex, are the parts of what? Parts of spherical mirrors. Okay, so this is very easy to understand. Here in this picture we can see concave. Concave means reflecting surface inside. Okay, and outside is what? This is polished surface. Okay, polished surface, reflecting surface inside and polished surface outside. But in the convex mirror, reflecting surface outside and polished surface, that means inside. Okay, so this is the basic things uh, to understand the convex and concave mirror. So also it is very important the image formations by a concave and convex mirrors. Okay, let's see the image